Let's talk about this book, Matthew here, Break Free from the Cortisol Cycle. Now, we're going to talk about the benefits and how you'll be feeling afterwards. Some of the feelings that we're going to start with might be how you're feeling at this moment in time. So, are you tired of broken sleep? Are you always crashing at mid-afternoon? Are you feeling stressed and foggy? Now, it's not you, it's cortisol. So let's turn this around. You'll sleep soundly again because the evening routine signals your body naturally to release melatonin so you can drift off faster and wake up refreshed. You'll feel steady energy all through the day because the timing secrets for meals, movement, and rest. Stop the afternoon crash and keep your energy balanced. You'll finally end stress eating because you'll know the simple tricks to break the cortisol hunger loop that drives cravings and emotional snacking. You'll sharpen your mental clarity because of the three-step method that clears brain fog and clears it away. So you can finally focus properly without needing caffeine or maybe energy drinks. You'll enjoy a natural mood lift because of daily habits, gently boosting feeling good chemicals, helping reduce anxiety and improve your outlook. outlook. You'll uncover hidden triggers because the stress response tracker shows you exactly what sets you off and how to stop it. And you'll create lasting balance because you'll build a routine that fits real life. Sustainable changes and no extremes required. So if you're ready to break free from the cortisol cycle, grab your copy today and subscribe here for simple, natural tools to feel calm, clearer, and full of energy again. Take care, guys, and see you soon.